Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's continue with the lecture 2 of trigonometry. Alright, so I hope we have discussed the basic formulas of trigonometry. Now we shall continue with the next sums. Okay, I hope you have seen my previous session. We are in the lecture 2 of trigonometry. So let's get started. Alright, so see, we have discussed altogether 18 sums. We are on the 19th one right now. Okay, so see, whatever question is given, cosec a plus cot a is equal to 1 upon cosec a minus cot a. So either you can start with LHS or you can start with RHS. Okay, so basically you need to convert them in terms of sine and cos. Okay, so let's see how we solve the sum. Alright, it is easy. So we'll start with RHS first. What is given in RHS? See, 1 upon cosec a minus cot a. Okay, now how we will convert cosec a? Cosec a is 1 by sin a. Cosec a is 1 by sin a minus this is cos by sin a. Cos a upon sin a. I hope you are with me right now. How we will simplify this? Taking sin a common, so you are left with 1 minus cos a upon sin a. Right, this sin a will go up, right, this sin a will go up. What you will get? Sin a upon 1 minus cos a, right, this will be equal to, now how will simplify 1 minus cos a? We'll simplify 1 minus cos a as, we'll rationalize them. How to rationalize? Multiply divide by opposite sign, multiply divide by opposite sign. So what you will get? See, sin a upon 1 minus cos a as it is into 1 plus cos a. See, always remember, when you rationalize, the sign should be opposite. Okay, sign should be opposite. So 1 plus cos a upon 1 plus cos a. Right, now sin a will remain as it is. Keep this sin a as it is into 1 plus cos a upon, see, this is a minus b, this is a plus b. Okay, this is a minus b and this is a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, right? So you are left with 1 minus cos square a. Now everybody know 1 minus cos square a is what? 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. This is sin a as it is. Keep this sin a as it is plus cos a as it is whole upon 1 minus cos square a. What is 1 minus? Use the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Alright, so what we are getting here? 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. This is sin square a. Right, so one sign will get cancelled off. You are left with 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a upon sin a. See, can I write like this? Sin a as it is upon sin a. I have just split this sin a. Okay, so it is easier. What is 1 by sin a? Cosec a. 1 by sin a is cosec a plus cos by sin a. Cos by sin a is cot a. See what I did, I will repeat this step. Okay, in this step I have cancelled one sin a. When I cancel one sin a, what I will get? 1 plus cos a upon sin a. Okay, after this step I have split 1 upon sin a and cos a upon sin a. This split. Okay, this is very important step. After this you will get the RHS. This is your RHS. I hope you understood the sum. See, I will give you 1 minute ka time to take the screenshot. Okay, take the screenshot and then we can proceed with the next sum. Alright, so everyone take the screenshot of the sum. Okay, I hope you have taken the screenshot. Now we can start with the next sum. Alright, you can pause the video and then check the sum. Okay, then we can proceed to the next sum. Now question number 20. Question number 20 is what? Sec a minus tan a, sec a plus tan a. Right? Now either you can take LHS or you can take RHS. So it is always advisable to take LHS. See, we can simplify this and you can easily get this. Right? Now see how we proceed with the sum. Let's take LHS. Let's take LHS. What is there in LHS? Sec A minus tan A upon what? Sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A. Now convert sec A and convert tan A. How will you convert sec A? 1 by cos A plus tan A can be converted as sin A upon cos A, right? Whole upon what? This is 1 by cos A, this is 1 by cos A, right? Plus, oh, one here is minus sign, right? There is a minus sign in the numerator. Okay, this is plus sin A upon cos A, sin A upon cos A. I hope you are getting what I am explaining right now. You are with me, right? So what you need to do, 1 minus sin A, this is 1 minus sin A upon cos A, right? Whole upon what? 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A upon cos A, right? Now 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A, will simplify this. 1 minus sin A upon, you will get this cos A cancelled off. Okay, see, this cos A will be cancelled off with this cos A. Okay, you are left with 1 minus sin A and 1 plus sin A, right? So 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. See, whenever you see 1 minus sin A and 1 plus sin A, I told you to rationalize. Okay, rationalize what? Rationalize the denominator. Now, to rationalize the denominator, we'll rationalize with the opposite sign. Okay, what is 1 plus sin A ka rationalization factor? 1 minus sin A. Okay, so you will multiply and divide with 1 minus sin A. Okay, fine. Now simplify. Now it is easier. Denominator is 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square A. Okay, this is 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Can I write 1 minus sin A the whole square? Yes, everybody remember the formula A minus B the whole square. What is A minus B the whole square? See, if you don't remember A minus B the whole square, I am writing here A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, so 1 minus 2 sin A plus sin square A, right? What is 1 minus sin square A? 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Okay, now see, simplify. What you can do, you can split the denominator. See, in the previous sum we had done the split of the denominator. In this sum also you can split the denominator. How to split the denominator? Look here, cos square A minus 2 sin A upon cos square A plus sin square A upon cos square A, sin square A upon cos square A, right? See, 1 by cos square A is what? 1 by cos square A is sec square A. Okay, alright, I hope you are understanding what I am explaining right now. See, 2 sin A upon cos A, sin by cos is tan A, 2 tan A, right? 1 by cos is sec A. Okay, see, if you don't understand this step, I am explaining over here again. Okay, sin by cos is tan, this is tan square A. Okay, see, those who did not understand this step, I am explaining this step again. Just have a look. Just have a look over here. What I am explaining. 2 sin A upon cos square A. 2 sin A upon cos square A. This can be written as 2 sin A upon cos A into 1 upon cos A. Right? We can write it like this. Cos A into cos A is cos square A, 2 sin A as it is. Right? Sin by cos I wrote as tan, 1 by cos A I wrote as sec. I hope you understood this sum. I am giving you 2 minutes ka time to take the screenshot. Okay, see 1, we have to simplify further. Okay, see what is sec square a or tan square a? Do we need sec square a? No, we need to use the identity. What is the identity? I hope everyone remember the identity of sec. If you don't remember the identity of sec, you will not be able to write. Proceed with the sum. Okay, ht क्या बताया था मैंने? sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, now instead of sec square I can write what? 1 plus tan square a minus 2 tan a into sec a plus tan square a, right? Okay, see I don't think you are able to see the sum. I want to write it up. Okay, see I will write it here. You won't be able to see otherwise. I am writing the final step. See 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a minus 2 tan a into sec a, tan a into sec a plus tan square a. This is the step I wrote in the last line. Okay, so now you can simplify. See, tan square a plus tan square a will become 2 tan square a. What? Tan square a plus tan square a will become 2 tan square a. 1 minus 2 tan a sec a as it is, tan a into sec a as it is, plus tan square a plus tan square a will become 2 tan square a, and the sum is done. Okay, this is your RHS. Okay, see 1 minus 2 tan a sec a लिखो या sec a tan a लिखो means the same, 2 tan square a. I hope you understood the sum. See how you need to copy. I will tell you first this, then this, and then this wala part. Okay, I hope you understood the sum. Take the screenshot, note the sum in your notebook properly. Okay, fine. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Now we can proceed with the next sum. Alright, chalo, give a try. 21st sum. See, pause the video and give a try. Okay, do not hurry. What is the given part? Sin a plus cosec a the whole square plus cos a plus sec a the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Okay, how will do this sum? First we'll take LHS or RHS. See, it is better to take LHS because we can easily split this. We can use easily split this using a plus b the whole square formula, right? So first we'll take LHS. LHS mein what is given? See, let's start the sum with LHS. This is sin a plus, I hope you are paying full attention over here, sin a plus cosec a the whole square plus cos a plus sec a the whole square, cos a plus sec a the whole square, right? Now how we will proceed? See, a plus b the whole square. Those who don't know the formula of a plus b the whole square, look here. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? I hope you are with me. Sin a plus cosec a the whole square. What I will write? Sin square a plus 2 sin a into cosec a, right? Plus, see, we need to simplify this. What you will get? This will be cos square a plus 2 times cos a into sec a, cos a into sec a plus sec square a, right? Now it is easier to simplify. See, sin square a plus cos square a will become 1. We are using the identity, plus 2 sin a into cosec a. What is 2 sin a into cosec a? See, I will tell you what is 2 sin a into cosec a. Can I say sin a is equal to 1 by cosec a, right? So if I multiply sin a into cosec a, what I will get? 1. If I multiply sin a into cosec a, 1 आ जाएगा. Okay, sin a into cosec a is 1, right? I hope you are with me. Sin a into cosec a. चलो, sin a into cosec a, which will be equal to 1, right? I hope you understood this part, first wala part. Now you are left with 2 cos A into sec A. See, cos A into sec A we explain karta hu. Can I say cos A is equal to 1 by sec A? Right? Cos A is equal to 1 by sec A, right? So can I say cos A into sec A? Cos A into sec A is equal to 1, which implies cos A into sec A, cos A into sec A is equals to 1, right? We need to put these values over here. So you will get what? Plus 2, right? Plus, this is already eliminated, this 2 as it is, plus sec square, right? I hope you can see we are almost getting the sum. Alright, so what we are planning here, 1 plus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 2 is how much? 5 plus sec square A, sec square A, right? Now we want what? Tan square A plus cot square A. Sin square A we have eliminated. See, can I say sec square A is 1 plus tan square A? Right, sec square A is equal to, we have written this one, we have written this one, right? Did we miss any step? No, we haven't missed. Sin square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus cosec square A is also pending here. This will be, this is cosec square A, right? Sin square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus cosec square A will come, right? So यहाँ पे plus cosec square A will be coming, plus cosec square A वो रह गया था. This is cosec square A plus cosec square A, right? Now see, can I write sec square A is 1 plus tan square A? We know the identity. Plus sec square A as 1 plus tan square A. Okay. Plus, see what is cosec square ka identity? Cosec square theta is equal to cocot. If you don't remember, do it like this. Cocot. Cocot matlab cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, right? Now we can simply put that value over here. Cosec square theta के जगह पे, cosec square theta के जगह पे, can I say we can insert 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus cot square A, right? Now how we'll proceed? See, this is 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7, right? Plus tan square A plus cot square A. I hope you understood how we have done the sum. Okay, you can take the screenshot now. This is equal to your RHS wala part. Okay, see, the important part in the sum was, very important part was, sin ka reciprocal is what? Cosec A. Sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A, right? Sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. We have simply multiplied them, sin A into cosec A. उसका वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? हमेशा 1 रहेगा. ओके, उसके बाद cos A will be equal to 1 by sec A. Okay, sec A into cos A. Sec A into cos A will be what? Sec A into cos A will be equal to 1, right? Sec A into cos A. Similarly, tan का भी होता है. Tan A into cot A, tan A into cot A is also 1. Right? So these are the basic things which you should remember while solving the sum. Alright, I am giving you the time to take the screenshot, pause the video, take the screenshot, and we can proceed with the next sum. I hope you are understanding. The lecture is very interesting. Okay, watch the lecture. See, those who have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Okay, see, we are uploading videos on YouTube as well as on Rank 1 app. So I'm giving the Rank 1 app ka link in the description. You can download from that. Okay, I hope you have finished with the sum. Alright, pause the video, take the screenshot. Now we should proceed with the 20-second sum. What is the 20-second sum? Sec square A into cosec square A is equal to tan square A plus cot square A plus 2. Right? So in this also we'll proceed with LHS first. What is given in the LHS? See, LHS is equal to sec square A into cosec square A, sec square A into cosec square A, right? You need to convert them in terms of sin and cos. How will you convert them in terms of sin and cos? Sec square A, see, instead of converting in terms of sin and cos, convert them in directly in tan. Sec को directly we can convert in tan. cosec को we can convert in cot. How we can convert? See, by using identity. ST वाला identity you know. ST वाला identity is what? Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Cocot वाला identity is what? Cosec square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Right? Now, sec square theta is what? 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Cosec square theta is what? Cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. Right? Now, see. Now simply multiply them. You will easily get the answer. First what we'll do, we'll multiply 1 to this bracket. 1 into 1 plus cot square theta. Right? Are you with me? Okay. Plus what? Tan square theta would be multiplied to this whole bracket. Tan square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Right? So how will you get the answer? 1 into anything is same thing. Cot square theta. Plus, see tan square theta, when you multiply inside, tan square theta into 1 you will get tan square theta. Plus as it is tan square theta into cot square theta. Tan square theta into cot square theta. Right? It is not theta, actually it is A. So everywhere we should write A, not theta. Wherever we have written theta, actually it is A. Alright, so make a slight correction. Alright, see this is A, this is A, this is A. Alright, everywhere it was A, not theta. Alright, fine. Okay, so 1 plus cot square theta as it is, 1 plus cot as it is, 1 plus cot square theta, sorry, A plus tan square A. What is tan square into cot square A? It is 1. See, I will tell you how. See, if you remember last sum, in the previous sum I told you cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Right? Tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Squaring both the sides, what I will get? Tan A into cot A, the whole square is equal to 1. See, whole square मतलब tan square A into cot square A, इसका value 1 होता है हमेशा. Always remember tan square A. If you don't remember, still you can do that. How I will tell you. See here, plus tan square A as it is रखो. Convert this as cot square A as 1 by tan square A. 1 by tan square A. Tan square A cancel. You are left with only 1. That one and this one will become 2. 2 plus cot square A plus tan square A, which is equal to your RHS. Okay, this is your RHS. See here, 2 plus cot square A plus tan square A. I hope you understood the sum very well. Okay, take the screenshot, write the sum in your notebook, pause the video. Alright, then we can proceed with the next sum. Alright, quickly do it, giving you 1 minute ka time. I hope you are understanding. Lecture is very interesting. Okay, I hope you are done with the 22nd sum. See, do not waste your time in your activities during 10th. Utilize your time. It is most valuable thing. That will fetch you good marks in your exam. Alright, chalo. Next, what is the next sum? 1 upon 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 cosec square A. Question number 23. 1 upon 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. What you will get? Start with LHS. Here also we'll start with LHS. LHS में क्या दिया हुआ है? 1 upon 1 plus cos A plus 1 upon 1 minus cos A. Now what you will do? You will simply cross multiply. Cross multiply them, what you will get? See, 1 minus cos A upon, see here, this is 1 plus cos A whole upon 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Right? So what you will get? 1 plus cos A minus cos A gaya. You are left with 1 plus 1, 2. Right? See, the denominator में it is a plus b, a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. That is 1 minus cos square a. Okay. Now you already know what is 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. Right. Now see, 1 upon sin square a, we also know that 1 upon sin square a is cosec square a. This is cosec square a. Right. See, whatever we have used, I am writing here. Okay. We have used sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Then cosec square theta. What we have used over here? 1 by sin square a. 1 by sin square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Okay. I hope you understood. This was the easiest sum, which is equal to your RHS. Is equal to your RHS. I hope you understood the sum well. Okay. Quickly copy. Take the screenshot. Then we can move to the next sum. Fine. Did you complete the sum? Yes. Take the screenshot quickly. Pause the video. Okay. Chalo, next. See, 24th sum, I want you to solve this sum on your own. I'm giving you 2 minutes ka time. Pause the video, then you can proceed. Okay? Pause the video first. Alright, chalo. Question number 24. Look here how I am discussing. We'll start with LHS over here. We are starting with LHS. LHS में क्या दिया हुआ है? 1 upon 1 minus sin A. It is similar to the previous sum which we have discussed. Plus 1 upon 1 plus sin A. 1 upon 1 plus sin A. Right? Now cross multiply कर लो. Cross multiply them. 1 plus sin A plus 1 minus sin A. Whole upon what? See, the denominator का multiplication. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Right? Now this will be equal to 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A कितना हो जाएगा? 1 plus 1 will become 2. Minus sin A plus sin A will get cancelled off. This is the product. A plus B into A minus B. If you don't know this formula, see, I am writing here A plus B into A minus B, which will be equal to A square minus B square. Okay. Now 1 minus sin A. 1 minus sin A is 1 minus sin square A. Now everybody know what is 1 minus sin square A. By now at least you should know the identities. If you don't know the identities, you should revise the identities, write them 3 to 4 times so that it will be easier to you during exams. Okay, sorry. 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. 1 minute. Overwriting हो गया. Alright, चलो, no problem. So this is cos square A, which is equal to 1 by cos square A. क्या होता है? 1 by cos square A is sec square A. This is 2 sec square A. Okay. So this is how you should proceed with the sum, which is your RHS. Which is your RHS. I hope you understood the sum. Whatever identities we have used here, I am writing. You can note it down. Sin square theta वाला identity we have used. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Then we have used 1 by cos. 1 by cos square theta is equal to sec square theta. Right? Any other thing we have used? No. We have used this formula A plus B into A minus B. This is A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. I hope you understood the sum. Take the screenshot, pause the video. Okay? Write it in your notebook. Then we can start with the next sum. Quickly do it. See, I would be uploading some of the videos as I get time. Alright. See, good luck for your boards. Keep revising the sum. If you have any doubts, you can always ask me. Done? Done with the sum? Alright, chalo. Next. लेट्स गो टू 25th सम. 25th सम में क्या दिया हुआ है? लुक, रीड. कोसेके अपॉन कोसेके माइनस 1, कोसेके अपॉन कोसेके प्लस 1. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज सिमिलर टू द प्रीवियस सम, somewhat similar. Okay, in this what you need to do is take cosec common. Okay, if you take cosec common, see how the sum changes. If I take, only thing you need to do, start with, we are starting with what? 1 minute. We are starting with LHS. LHS में क्या दिया हुआ है देखो, this is cosec a, cosec a upon cosec a minus 1. cosec a स्क्वायर नहीं है, सॉरी, cosec a स्क्वायर नहीं है, it's only cosec a. This is cosec a minus 1. Yes, I hope you are with me. See, I want your full attention so that it will be easier for me to explain you the concept. Okay, see, if you have not seen my previous video, see there is a I button where there is a link. Okay, you can simply click the I button and watch the previous video of first lecture. Okay, this is the current second lecture of the trigonometry. All right, if you have not seen my first lecture, go to the YouTube channel. There is a playlist of trigonometry. First lecture वाला देख लेना. This is the second lecture. Cosec a plus 1. This is cosec a plus 1. Right? Now simple है. Take cosec a common. Let's take cosec a common. After taking cosec a common, what will be left inside? What will be left inside? देखो ध्यान से. Can I say 1 upon cosec a minus 1 बचेगा, प्लस प्लस व्हाट, 1 अपॉन cosec a plus 1. राइट, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू cosec a कितना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, cosec a plus 1, cosec a plus 1 प्लस दिस विल बी cosec a minus 1, cosec a minus 1. Right, whole upon, this is a minus b, a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. Right, a square मतलब cosec square a minus 1. Right, now it is easier. See, cosec a plus cosec a will be 2 cosec a. See, again I am explaining. Cosec a into cosec a, cosec a plus cosec a will become 2 cosec a. 2 cosec a into this cosec a will become cosec square. जिनको नहीं समझा है वो यहाँ पे वापस देखेंगे. I have kept this cosec a as it is. See, 1 plus 1 minus 1 गया. Cosec a plus cosec a is 2 cosec a. Right? Whole upon cosec square a minus 1. Cosec square a. This is cosec square a minus 1. Right, now see, this 2 into cosec a will become 2 cosec square. I hope you are understanding. Cosec a into cosec a will become 2 cosec square a, 2 cosec square a whole upon what? See here, denominator में can I write cosec square a को 1 by sin square a? Otherwise what you can do? You can do cosec a square को कॉमन ले लो डिनोमिनेटर में से. If I take common cosec square a from the denominator, what I will be left with? Cosec square a मैंने कॉमन ले लिया. Cosec square a is 1 minus 1 upon cosec square. See, this is the different way of taking common. See, this is the different way of taking common. I will explain you this. This is 1 by cosec square a. Right? See what I have done. See here, if I multiply cosec square a inside, when I multiply cosec square a inside, cosec square a into 1 will be cosec square a. When I multiply cosec square a inside, this cosec square a and this cosec square a will get cancelled off. You are left with 1. Okay, this is the basic way of taking common. Now you are cancelling this cosec square a with this, right? You are cancelling with cosec square a. Chalo, let's cancel this, right? Now it is easier. See, 1 upon 1 minus, what is 1 by cosec square a? 1 by cosec square a is sin square a, right? And 1 minus sin square a is what? 1 minus sin square is cos square a, right? And what is 1 minus 1 by cos square a? See, we have not cancelled this 2. This 2 should be here. Okay, we have not cancelled, we have just cancelled cosec square a. Okay, 2 by cos square a is what? 2 into 1 by cos square a is sec square. Right, the sum is done, which is equal to your RHS. Clear? I hope you understood the sum. See, I want full attention. Again, I am explaining the sum. The sum was very easy. We took the cos A common, cosec A common. Okay, then simply take the LCM, cross multiply. What you are left with? This is 2 into cosec A into cosec A. Right? Then what I did was, this is very important step. Look here, if you don't understand this step, it will be difficult. This is the adjustment step, we call it. What we have done in this step, we have taken cosec square a common from the denominator. There was no common thing between them, but still we took जबरदस्ती कॉमन ले लिया. सिंपल भाषा में जबरदस्ती कॉमन ले लिया. बेनिफिट क्या हुआ? See, if I take cosec a square a outside, when I multiply this inside, I am getting the same thing, right? Cosec square a into 1, cosec square a, right? Minus as it is, cosec square a को अंदर multiply करो, cosec square a cancel, you are left with 1. Okay, this cosec square a, this cosec square a will be cancelled off. 2 as it is. See, this 2 is as it is here, this 2 is as it is here. Okay, what is 1 minus 1 by cosec square a? 1 by cosec square a को change किया मैंने sin में. See, I have changed this 1 by cosec square a as 1 minus sin square a. Okay, 1 minus sin square a, I know the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here I have used, in this step, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. The identity, regular identity. 1 minus sin square है तो cos square होता है, right? So 2 upon cos square a, 2 into sec square a. 1 by cos square a is sec square. I hope you understood the sum. Take the screenshot. Okay, pause the video. Then we can proceed with the next sum. Okay, I guess 26 sum would be the last sum. Then we'll meet in the lecture 3. 26 सम देखो, चलो सब लोग क्या दिया हुआ है. 26 के बाद कितने सम्स है और 30 काफी सम है. 26 वाला देखो पहले. I hope you can solve this sum. What is the sum all about? 26 sum. Sec a upon sec a plus 1, sec a upon sec a minus 1. We have to equate it to 2 cosec square. Same sum है. You need to take sec a common. Okay, you need to take sec a common. Then you can easily get the answer. Okay, let's start with LHS first. LHS में क्या आएगा? See, we are on the last sum for today's lecture. Okay, if I take sec a common, what you will get? Sec a common लेने के बाद 1 upon sec a plus 1, right? Plus as it is 1 upon sec a minus 1, 1 upon sec a minus 1. Okay, now what you will get? sec a को ऐसे ही रखो, keep this sec a as it is. ब्रैकेट में क्या चेंज होगा? sec a ऊपर आ जाएगा. taking LCM, this is sec a, this is sec a minus 1 plus sec a plus 1, sec a plus 1. Yes, I hope you are with me. Yes, pay full attention on board. It would be difficult to understand otherwise. Okay, sec a plus 1 into sec a minus 1. a plus b, a minus b यूज कर रहा हूँ. a plus b into a minus b, which will be equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so क्या आएगा? sec square a minus 1, right? This would be equal to sec a plus 1 minus 1 गया. sec a plus sec a is 2 sec a, right? sec square a minus 1, sec square a minus 1 क्या होता है? See, इसमें भी सेम चीजें करना है. See, I will tell you what we are doing. See, if you don't take that common वाला part, I know many of the students find it difficult to take that common वाला part. Okay, what we will do, keep this sec square a as it is, 2 sec square a as it is, this sec square a minus 1, right? After this step we took the common wala part. Instead of that, what you can do, I will suggest one more way. Instead of that, what I will do, take this sec square in the denominator, 2 upon If I take this x square a in the denominator, what you will get? X square a minus 1 upon x square a. Right, कुछ फर्क पड़ा? Nothing will change. Okay, simply I have written this x square in the denominator. Now it is easy. See, 2 upon x square a, split करो इसको, x square a 1 हो जाएगा, x square upon x square a minus 1 upon x square a बचेगा. This is also correct. Right? See, if you don't understand the split वाला part, see I am writing the split वाला part here. This is x square a upon x square a minus 1 upon x square a. Right? X square upon x square a 1 and 1 minus as it is, 1 upon x square a as it is. Okay, now it is easier. This is 2 upon, what is 1 minus 1 by x square a is cos square a. This is cos square a. Right? What is 1 minus cos square a? What is 1 minus cos square a? 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. Right? And 1 by sin square is again cosec square a. Okay, this is equal to 2 cosec square a, right, which is equal to your RHS. Okay, alright, take the screenshot. Alright, take a screenshot of the sum. Practice hard. The chapter is lengthy. Alright, it will take more time to finish. Take the screenshot from the board. Write in, copy into your notebook. Alright, I hope you understood the sums which we have discussed. If you don't understand, keep watching the video again and again till your concepts are clear. I hope that's all for today's session. We are winding up right now. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Take care. Do subscribe my channel, like, share with your friends. Okay, I will be uploading continuous videos. Okay, if you support me, I will support you. It is totally free of cost. Okay, chalo, see you. Bye bye.